This house has been empty for 20 years. First look, I'm like, wow, I can see myself living here, having friends over, hanging out by the pool, barbecuing. But something's off. Something feels weird. The place is really big and it has a lot of parts. It's nice looking, well built, and there's some fancy design too. It's not like the small, simple houses you often see in Portugal. I bet it was a rich, important, intelligent, smart family that lived here. But why did they leave? And why leave everything behind and all of these books? We've got books on everything here: math, engineering, history, science, languages, philosophy, religion. So much knowledge just left on the dirty and dusty floors. And there's an old suitcase just lying here on the floor, like someone had to leave fast. Looking at the papers lying around, I found out about a girl named Teresa. She was young, about 10, and looked like she worked hard at school, but her report said only suficient in Portuguese. That's not so great. So I started thinking, maybe her dad, Jose, was a smart guy who was just disappointed in her? Maybe he was tough on Teresa? I'm just guessing though. That's what I like about Urbex. It gets you asking questions, imagining all kind of stories. One thing's for sure, this place, pretty as it is, makes me feel sad. At first it's amazing, but then it kind of feels creepy. Something's not right. I feel like there is maybe a scary story here. Upstairs I also found a secret room. You could only get to it through a closet. What kind of secrets were they hiding in there? The wind outside is getting cold and strong. My drone's checking, and I'm worried it might crash if I don't land it soon. For now, I don't have any answer to the questions I've brought up. But that's part of the fun of Urbex, right? The mystery of it all.